Hello, beautiful people. This is your big daughter, Lady Shasha. Guess what? We are here at Kakalika Plaza. Shasha Wigs as you hear Samosha, your wigs be brave, hasi. Then your wigs in the susu there, and you're very, very affordable. Me pacho, so be so much Shasha Wigs are. Ope call Instagram and I say Facebook. Ope screenshot the ope. Now I send ya my Miankasa Shasha. It was 0541 733 368 0541 733 368. Mumpewe na mopede. Shasha Wigs, we are the best in the game. I feel so. Yeah, free delivery. Ghana has say so.
So owning a property is very, very important for any individual. Oh yeah, obi na obobra. I say unya bibi as a property. With me accommodate to yes. Man for rent dying. But nyame wadom na so share is kind of bar. You need to invest into something. With me at nemu afibo. Meeting as Zionfelix. I'm come to have a conversation that will help all of us. Some of us here in Ghana and those outside Ghana you pay properties at all. Either you want to buy a house, you want to buy land, and you build the house that you've always dreamt of. And I many for construction for Nebekasana for you to know some of the things. No, young kotina them ni ninkomo abrayen chionyoma. Intene I've driven all the way to their sites. Senabia, you see some of the things that they have. Then, say companies need na more kinds na oma jeusikedi na achina koye into koneba koko na a long process no. In my site, I'm forever construction for everybody in commerce. Senabia, omeba checho some of the things that they have. I also with me easy with sika. It's me I invest into them. I'm into these things. Me will be that I've built a couple of houses. And to me, nimuka crack. Into much and and the question of say no crack and no edi. So I have one of the directors of Forever Construction. He happens to be Mr. Cecil Uswado, Medino, Zionfelix. Here be a few man and a dying go and as a big and I say and net yent not die inside in this way. You need to know what is actually happening on the field. Now, what they want who be. Senabia all bar, you know what you come to use your money for. Papa, good morning. Good morning, Zion. Where are we right now?
In Pachoye, Chopoli, Agoto, since we are the new airport city. Anka Hanana, Anka Jomama Bekati, saw that check. Anka Ombesi Airport, the extension of Kotoka. Okay. Intina Edina Kano. Okay. It's dachi bia na yagidi se ebe baso. Okay. It's intina se dinwa.
Property owning has become the new norm in the system. Now everybody wants to own a property. Why we are owning industry, we are a property anti. Everybody say be a car and property. I mean, a diners are senior property. That's why marginalizing into one. First of all, let me ask why an individual needs to own a property.
In Pajo's say no share. Government require na do kasi the deficit, housing deficits it's over 2 million. 2 million properties. And obia pay ways are obia between I get on the property market. It's no yen so yeah the idea is be buy so. Yen pay bribia price a war in between. Obia between about on board. Okay. Into say we share na here. A basic, which obia will start life only. Okay. You bet me a luxury, but you pay baby a get everybody on the property market. Okay. Until I start here, we be saying no. Okay.
What do you want about? Let me zoom straight into the conversation because that is why we are here and that is why almost everybody is watching us right now. Forever Construction, moye Jenny day the me and no moye before we go into details of some of them.
In Pacho Forever, you start here at Asasi. Asasi Tony at the start here. We've been in the business for 12 years. 12 years this year. Emma 2 years ago, cry, you launchy way, Atachi, he was a minister for housing. Okay. On a Oba and Obe Gracie occasion, the former IGP, they were all there to launch here. Intino, you see a base idea. You started from the prop same was Subibi. But to be Bawasas, so why development no idea. On him says a January. He said one should be bubu scout the Ashemunina. In today's the way we want to go, and this is what we are doing. Okay. In Tinama, yes, and Sassini and Yajaiton. Yeah, that's so tongue. But this is the way we want to go.
Okay.
This is the future. Affordable housing, we call it.
Okay, so if I heard you right, you are into sales of land.
Yes.
And now we're into affordable housing. What else does the company do again?
And I documentation man for individual. It me ma per site plan. One toy health crowd. It me housing needs. Anything to do with housing solution. Oba bet me abuao. And what's our toy and property? Drawings. Architecture. Maybe very.
Okay. So in case I've gone to somebody else to draw my plan for me, then maybe I need an engineer to. Maybe I want to say, so who see 2-bedroom there? Who need any engineer? Maybe I want to see 3-story, maybe a 5-story. You need an engineer. Meet me about forever construction for so mom engineer. But me a supervisor property na mame.
Easy, easy. Okay. You know, you perceive any thing, the name is complicated, kakra. Okay. It's nothing is too big or too small. Baby, I know bar, you know, will help you.
Baby, I know bar, boy. Sab you, you buy your fans upon the bar. Yadi sikana beba. Hono something as I said, oh, as I said, as boy thing, kuta, we be $1 million, $500,000, $20,000 Ghana cedis. Young share pricing of properties are more manage and starts affordable housing. No, young share the pricing. No,
Mecca housing first. You start here, no. Say maybe inflation, interest rates, only are calculating now. But your starting it was like a mere giveaway. Saturday 80,000 Ghana cedis. You start here. No? Okay. But to say it hasn't changed much. It's also inflation rate current time at 2 years You know, we are talking about like 6-7% more. It's just over $23,000-24,000.
Okay.
You know,
okay. How many bedrooms?
In particular, 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
With 1 master bedroom.
Okay.
Instead of practically no 2 toilets and bath. Master no toilet 20 shower. Still 2 toilets and 2 showers.
We'll go into specifics of all the other in Amina, but Mami Busa said now kasi ibo asasita munamutonza asne plenty issues. Makoto bi asase man koso be 5 years after mekono no bi aba we landguard and omodi amame. How genuine are your properties, especially with the land?
American the pass or car way. What is idea? I made it 2 crop for say oh to asase here. Entie na estate developer dey catch you. To say na me no share ye din come. You betimi aye bibia security bia you betimi secure. But talk to people around. Oti as a neighbor some titing grass villages around, talk to them. Say company to say and if some person me talk asase free wanna to say why investigation because obi oton na ade no onim no be catch you beto. To do that as well. We don't rush to take your money. What we do first, they say, we buy an officer, you have a site plan. What call your search? Title search. And yeah, window search. Title search, it gives you all the details. What you say? What title? Because a title on the tongue. Ghana and Sassinton, one shape when you go ase. Me say me now for a brooch be brea. Me cancel momra mama. Woma kop baby bebrea. Me pes me body no. What you say? I won't see kakoshi. Be share her. Din be any. Mpacho ya sas na sopa. Ya to over 700 properties. Obie nya sa. Obetumi na abedaso. O de bra sande bra machi. Unya any issue. Na mani ye de crase. Ye ni City of Shiloh share wall.
Okay.
And we bought it from the same owners.
Okay.
You bought it from the same owners, which is Kwanchi Ankara. When we see big projects, twice we were on for the City of Shiloh.
Yeah.
Into no, just a bonny BA name nominated.
Okay.
Hey, Uncle Sam, me.
So apart from here we are, do you have any other properties also? Because we are on personal basis or pay other places. No. Do you have any land elsewhere?
I am part of your dodoa, and you were to break.
Okay.
But a honor yenye house in Ibo, so yes,
land in
but future no, we are looking about doing it. House in your starting free. We want to test the market first and see the bit to me the call baby P.
But we pass as was then areas now.
Then you know yes.
But what if maybe the place that more maybe me pass as well is legal. Me pass as well maybe cantonment. Na me ba forever construction, will you be able to lead me to get such a property there?
Yes, see, I can say properties and for the Aba and CMP in Crawford, Toma, all over Accra, all the prime areas. But a hono ya yempese focus beko bebre because I don't mean more. One share when in bet me go as was hard because some of the lands the crown properties no in Crawford to me still are Tom money part 3-4. We do that, but yempese be encourages hard no more. Me ton idea me won gidia go wrong how they be so me so idea but sad and me want to invite him more like 100%. Even though it looks genuine, but like I know say oh you're businessman. That's
true.
Yes. Until be pebi or cantonments Laboni, East Legon. You only
not even that place, but I mean other places, not even the names I mentioned. Any other place Biano?
Or any other places you start yet. Okay. Because also yeah and Crawford per targets and mostly a middle class and slightly lower.
Okay.
One or more also.
Yeah.
Almost carry the Obetiagas and me toss as Dubai, me top me koto die Dubai, me ko South Africa, no idea. But the working people, the working Ghana, because we want to build and grow Ghana.
Let's look at payments plan because you are doing things for working people who have earning like 4,000, 3,000 a month. Now obeto say the payments plan is how is the payments plan?
Zion, the past 1 year, I was going to say that crown will be besides me teams this year. Payment plan, which you have, then you spread the rest for a year, within a year. Pay per day. It be 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 1 year, into 8,000. And not only 50 abba, 4,000.
No, 4,000.
It is kind of
so like 40
million. Baby is here. That me catch and Crawford say. Esikaya say what credit, phone credit, this are near mana. A hunding for so take away pizza no many adi. Who say the pizza about go a bag of cement. Sana da me catch you. You know, 12 iPhone 7, Bell 12. It's asking a go be brain. This is your future investment. Me said who say one year maybe brain. I appreciate it. Into the on your show, baby. You see Canada crowd. You Fabershim. Fabershim, we won't say. A year now they are koda.
That's true.
Let's make a crowd when you a year engagement in one side.
I am here with Mr. Seso Osuado, who happens to be one of the directors of Forever Construction. Your sites are tour this area for you to look at some of the properties that he have. Was with me a purchase and it's me a few more. It was important for us to look at the basics of whether they are genuine or not. What show a coin before so bit me I share some almost a genuine and a genuine. You can come to the area and then survey the area, ask questions from the people around. And they'll give you the site plan. Now what they call wow checks. Say it is registered in the name. And I say Ubiasa no Momo Airtomon. I was here with Yamesha Yakami as cinema kakra. So we know how it is done. And that is the right way I watch you. You know, also on musical, what do you my size plan? Fakoya checks. Genuine. Now you come back and then you deal with them. Before we move to talking about the affordable housing, give us contacts in case somebody wants to call and then purchase a property. Yeah.
You memo 2 contacts. Okay. First one, Mpacho Ringia. Also, Stella. Okay. Stella Mpacho ni number is 050-102-4040. Mpacho me say repeat it. Stella or Fondex. The number is 050-120-4040. And the next one is Sandra. And also 0501-204-041. May I repeat it, Sandra DNB. Sandra DNB is 0501-204-041.
Okay, and give us a location to your office. Because we are the office. I remember main touch because I have to know say assemble.
And part of your office in the Audome Estate. You have been Roman Catholic Church. I saw dino. Ubana Castle Audome runabout. Obiado ba ringi office na you be staff be share ever follow about office.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll be right back. Now maybe your church show some of the properties they have on this particular site at Legitimacy CCA. Just behind us is one of the buildings of the affordable houses. Now, my status on my building. Yeah, we talk about it. We talk about the land and then some of the other ones as well. The business Forever Construction is doing here. My name is Zionfelix. I'll be right back after this break.
Me did young antechua, and maybe I'm discovered for Europe. I come a bushing for Ghana. No, me used to tap send, tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Eye easy, eye convenient, eye fast, and sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover ye map tap send. Intienne, also download the tap send app. No, ever mobile phone so free. Let us see how come we bushing for Ghana for na. Tap send. Papa no.
So, I am still here at Forever Construction. Almost said I've been joined by Ebosin and then Enoch. And yeah, I'm more everyone my heading come on because I do emra a couple properties once and I'm more properties now. Mr. Cecil, let's first talk about this project now. Share some hot tips. Also a
2-bedroom semi-detached. Yes. Into plot size, a 50 by 70 into a half plot.
Let me see.
But there be a full plot, so into a share. Once all share, it's one plot, so which is 70 by 100. Any achievement. Into any into
2-bedroom.
In Patria, a 2-bedroom, 2-bedroom.
Self-contained or
self-contained.
it will be on toilet and bath.
Be on the toilet and bath.
And hall and kitchen.
Hall and kitchen. And our master bedroom, maybe on the master bedroom also.
So one would ask, why should I come and is it for renting or buying?
In Patria for buying.
Okay. So why should I come buy from Forever Construction?
One, as dying to it doesn't matter how far it is. Baby will be out of dying. Crop PT here, in crime. Where that's what Greater Accra region. And our share government affordable house now you're seglement. You want a cheap into no government crania adagribi or back you know that means it's good. Why any feasibility studies now say good. One will be providing infrastructure. In 2 years' time, no training the fat a chia. It's but now I age more crime. Problem be any.
So talking about distance, let's look at how far is it from let's say Tema overhead no mine.
Tema we are talking about 45 minutes to 50 minutes from here the site.
How many are ready right now and how many are under construction now? We be talking who's okay, but ready how many days?
Well, since here are 4 are ready. And it's about 18 is under construction right now as we speak. Yes.
Okay. Can we go in one of them for us to have a look at it? Okay, so jump into the building because you job on thing and inside. You have to see how the building looks. But when a former has an on chair and no me we share a diamond. How durable it is.
Yeah, Patrick Femi in okay for Saga with my friend Ziggy. The project manager at site. They can't Forever Construction now. Our vision is to put up durable and strong homes. At the end of the day, we do Skabishimwa, Bonsa Omoka. So far, the day we bring it, so far, you bear for Kabe eating. But we want to, do things to meet the client specification. So what I say, when we talk of building, it comes with a lot of things. You see, and just say Obeto a dankeke now at the end of the day, it will be giving you problem. But we make sure we meet the specification of the client. What I say, be it say, at the end of the day, a dining pool. We have something we call it. Forever Construction makes sure we rectify all those things before we hand over a house to the client.
So we are only any complaints.
That is it. Okay. And like in terms of plumbing section 2, now they are made the leakage.
Light was saying.
Oh yes. Oh, so washer. Oh, both the multi-poles. Yes, we have light. We will be intact. Okay. So what I say. Yeah.
So I say now, fina, cry over light and then any other issue. Okay. We're going inside. We're going inside now. So let's go inside the 2-bedroom, one of the 2 bedrooms here on site. So who's take us on the tour? Okay.
Yeah, a higher hall. Living room. Yeah, a higher living room. Okay. With a size of 14 by 14. Okay, very sizable one for everyone. Okay.
Let's go to this side now. Okay.
Yeah,
it's clear. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, a higher kitchen. So I can say, as Obia who started life, no, who here baby like kitchen be a bit me a bow. So what I say, so the size of the kitchen is about 10 feet by 10 feet square. So what I say, yeah, that is the size of the kitchen.
So high kitchen.
Yeah.
No, higher
lobby. So the lobby, you can use the lobby as your dining area as well. Yeah, that is it.
And this is the rooms. These are the rooms.
Yeah. Wow. I had one of the bedroom, which is 12 by 13 meter square. So what I say, yes, I had 13 by 12. And that is one of the bedroom. Excuse me. That's one of the bedroom. So.
No. Yeah. I had the washroom.
I had a washroom. Yeah. I had a washroom. Unfortunately, you go so a painting near there. So as I say, you painting near there. I had the washroom. So as I say,
so let's go to the other place. Oh, here happens to be the master bedroom. It's clear. Yeah, master bedroom.
Yeah, I had a whole master bedroom. So as I say, you have your 12 by 13 bedroom, and then your washroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Washroom.
That is the washroom.
Okay.
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 Yeah. So that is it.
So same thing up is the other side. Yes. Other side now, the same plan. Okay. So I have a 2-bedroom now, a site now, and then almost 4. Are you ready? I'll buy how bit me. Same thing. Other side no. If you come to Forever Construction now, you get it. Let's go to a more place now. I'm going to go to construction. Know how they are doing their thing. Maybe as Zionfelix. I'll be back.
Especially me no Ghana for yaba chair person be change your brabo. See, digital marketing business I lay down the foundation for you. Doesn't matter your background, you will be able to me. You want step-by-step training. 90% of the work is done for you. You give a mentor and a coach. You use automation system. And so what dial and that's why you busy your business runs in the background for you. And it's the way you are building into no matter how busy you are, you'll be your long hours. And I say, we are a doctor, we are a nurse. You know, some of you be a woman. Time to me, Kasaka Sibi. When me a registered nurse and I'm able to switch that. So this should tell you how lucrative this business is. My website, my phone number, and of course my website. Register for free info. Okay, watch the webinar. We can also reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Na in Kasamba, bye.
Okay, so I am still here on the site of Forever Construction. I just showed you inside the buildings now. Omo et me put up now. I complete now. Okay, here uncompleted ones, but it's said they and I have Ebosin Waha or no one of the top officials of the company. So when it said they were
the same thing.
Okay.
The same thing.
Okay. 2-bedroom, semi-detached.
Okay. So you have 2 bedrooms.
Okay. But who we ask we know the way I sir.
Yeah, you know.
With this one.
Yeah, this one is three bedrooms.
Okay.
3. This one.
Obi so open. Okay, so we pay a bit actually my man.
Yes.
Okay. So the full house in there.
Not 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the other ones in here,
okay.
Detached.
So we're under construction.
Yes, under construction.
How many are they?
10, 12.
Okay. Under construction and so engineering moton. Okay, move and rent.
No.
Okay, just for sale outright. Okay. So yeah, we know here in Sasnibia more. In Sasna more yeah.
Hana ye Chopoli.
Okay.
Agoto.
Okay.
Baby yebe airport.
Yeah.
But maybe currently, maybe I no. Honey, a first phase.
Okay.
Of our site.
Okay.
First phase, is about over 100 acres.
Oh. That's like 400 plots.
Yes.
Okay.
Over 100 acres.
So in the course,
there's also second phase. Second phase is about 250 acres.
Okay. 250 acres.
250.
Oh, this same area.
The same. You call.
Okay.
Surveyors need you Juma crowd.
Okay. Okay.
And your third phase. Even we have Yasan are quite fourth phase.
Oh, the same area. Wow. Wow.
From Old Driveway from here to the airport is less than where they have reside the airport. Okay. It's less than 8-7 minutes drive.
Oh, then just here. Just here. And then how much is the land?
Yeah, at the currently it's 10,000.
Okay.
About 70 by 100.
Okay.
But because you're promotion in
okay.
70 by 100 and 8,000 cash.
Okay.
But if you want to spread it,
you pay 10,000. Okay. So if you're bringing cash there, you're putting down 8,000 Ghana cedis. Now say, channel over a period no 10,000 cedis.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So Mamate, so cash there 8,000. Say more year Uchichima 10,000. And how long like no or the
within 6 to 1 year, 6 months to 12 months.
Okay. No, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So some assassination should be in.
Oh, it should be in. How about mother? No longer issues. You need problem.
I am from Pamo. We me found Kokota Abajimasase.
I have some view when you are talking about Asumbuya.
Okay, let's go to the last phase of the place now. And go for now site plan and other surveyors no from now young I'll be back. So this is the last phase of the whole conversation to help you acquire a legitimate property, either a house or a land. I'm still with Forever Construction on their site. Now a new place I had the Obunya said there is that's no motor. Yeah, that's no motor. Much sense.
But you're 70 by 100. Osha surveyors were almost demarcated. Bebre. What we do is demarcate ahead. Into now you're interested now better. And once I buy and plot number 1, ODNA 2, 3, 4. Into we always ahead. Into buy any idea over checkra. Oba near you diama.
Okay.
Near quite.
Where are they? Oh,
there will be there what our fancy.
Oh, okay.
Or America.
Okay.
Any 1 acre our fancy.
1 acre, 4 plots. Yeah, okay. So people have bought certain.
Oh, Bebre Osha. You see, Bebre, I hear one fence walls Bebre.
Yeah.
Yes. We're at the last phase.
Yes. Last phase number 1.
Into at over 700 plots.
Okay.
Yes, into now. And I new money. Okay. Nti ebekwa could do affordable house in America if you say nechi
no other lands go.
I but no yeah India, but it's like we are close to them.
Oh, okay.
Yes, government affordable housing.
Oh yeah. Yes, I get it. The one I'm could do. Oh, that's nice. So just come here to Forever Construction. Lands no as how as eguasa. I'm for to the baston no so ba. And then they have affordable housing and so they can meet me the chairman. I must say, if you have 8,000 Ghana cedis cash, 8,000 Ghana cedis cash, and I know when I bet back locations on the back coming or bet your power.
See at the neighbor, see at the market Bebre, you're like in 50s, in 50s, in 50s. Into 50s, and now man, you just choose which one is available. Okay. And you choose. So on per now per feather. Then you have to wait for like a couple of weeks. You do what? It's in wow, and then you know once. When I also will be witness assassinate that form. And look at the view. She mountain is one. Now she from Anakra. As a deep in from Ano. So beautiful.
So your final words.
My final word, say Ghana for be brain one was carrying how wanted to pay assassito. The genuineness. And I say a cleaner problem in any hanker for P. Baby was can war. Ain't no way they may assure. Say assassi, assemu beer renew. 12 years in the business. Oh yeah, you go. Yeah, some beer any baby. Oh beer unya some bonny beer
anymore.
It's you know, we are rest assuring you, say, you know, if you save with us, if you invest with us, Uzika is as clean as gold.
Mr. Osuado has assured you, say if you work with them, if you save with them, if you invest with them, you are clean. My name is Zionfelix. Buy land, buy property from Forever Construction. And anything concerning construction, just contact them. They'll sort you out. My name is Felix. It's been an awesome trip here on the site of Forever Construction. Bye-bye.